Hello everyone and welcome to the Gunpla Network. I'm the Spicer and today's episode of the news is brought to you by Canadian Gundam. With flat rate shipping in the US and Canada, they're a great one-stop shop for all your Plamo needs. Of course, when you place your order, use the promo code Gunpla Network at checkout for 10% off. Now, into the news. We have a lot of new announcements, starting with the MetalBuild Sword Striker Pack Alternative Strike version, set to release December of 2020 for a price tag of 8,250 Japanese yen. The GAT X105 plus AQM/E-X02 Sword Strike is the close quarter combat variant of the GAT X105 Strike Gundam developed by Morgenroth for the Earth Alliance. This unit is piloted by Kira Yamato and most notably used to destroy the GAT X207 Blitz Gundam with the Schwartz Guerre 15.78 meter anti-ship sword. The Striker Pack also features the Panzer Ein rocket anchor, which is used as a shield, and the Midas Mezer beam boomerang stored on the shoulder. We also have the P Bandai high-grade Build Divers Gundam Shining Break Before, set to release in October of 2020 for a price tag of 1,980 Japanese yen. The GF13-017NJ/B Gundam Shining Break comes to us from the Gundam Build Divers Break manga and is based off the GF13-017NJ Shining Gundam from Mobile Fighter G Gundam. We also have the new announcement of the P Bandai high-grade Build Divers Re-Rise Gundam G Else Before, set to release in October of 2020 for a price tag of 2,090 Japanese yen. The YG-111 Gundam G Else is based off the YG-111 Gundam G Self from Reconquista NG. The G Else comes to us from the Gundam Build Divers Break manga and is piloted by Zen. The Before version sports a much brighter tone, representing the suit is piloted by a build diver instead of a mass diver. We also have the new announcement of the P Bandai Master Grade F90 Mission Packs O and U, set to release in September of 2020 for a price tag of 2,200 Japanese yen. A new mission pack is being created by Kunio Okawara as a commander-specific O90 type for the F90 A to Z project. The O-type is designed as a commander unit featuring two large blade attachments on the top of the backpack and a redesigned beam rifle. The U-Pack, on the other hand, is used to help break out of the atmosphere with the help of a supersized booster that would make SpaceX jealous. We also have the new announcement of the P Bandai Master Grade Gundam Barbatos expansion parts set.
Barbatos.
Set to release in October of 2020 for a price tag of 3,410 Japanese yen. This expansion set for the ASWG-08 Gundam Barbatos from Iron-Blooded Orphans comes with all the parts needed to make any of the variants up until the 6th form, which is the last form to actually have the designation of just Gundam Barbatos. It was soon followed up by the Gundam Barbatos Lupus Rex. However, you can make version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, covering pretty much everything from the quote-unquote first part of Iron-Blooded Orphans. We also have the P Bandai Master Grade Testament Gundam, set to release in October of 2020 for a price tag of 6,270 Japanese yen. The ZG-MFX-12A RGX-00 Testament is a mobile suit developed by Zaft and is later stolen by the Earth Alliance. It appears in the manga series Gundam Seed Destiny Astray and is piloted by Ash Gray and later the professional mobile suit pilot Kaito Madigan. It is a rather unique design, sporting something of a unique V-fin, which is more of a set of horns pointing outwards from the Gundam's head. We also have the P Bandai Mega House GGG Mei, set to release in August of 2020 for a price tag of 13,000 Japanese yen. Mei, a character from Gundam Build Divers Re-Rise, pilots the JMA-0530 Mei Wadam Pod, and later the Herself Mobile Doll Mei. She is what most people would consider the best girl of Gundam Build Divers Re-Rise. Now for the top 5 of the week. In 5th place, we have Ching Li and his high-grade goof flight type. In 4th place, we have Sai Jung Tak Kim and his Master Grade Char's Zaku 2 Custom. In 3rd place, we have Sing Choi and his Zaku Diorama. In 2nd place, we have Tanit KG and the Knight 00 Quanta. And in 1st place, we have Dao Lao Bok Hoi and his Hardgraph Core Fighter Custom. And that has been the news for this week. In the comments down below, tell us what you're most excited about. I am super stoked for that Testament Gundam. It is one of my favorite designs, and it's time for me to finally jump into getting more master grades. But let us know in the comments below. Of course, like and subscribe if you're enjoying the news, and check out our other content. We've got interviews, news, reviews, and much, much more. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and our own website, and of course our Teespring store. If you want some amazing Gunpla Network merch, be sure to check it out. Of course, thank you to Canadian Gundam, thank you to you for watching, and as always, keep on building.